I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get this look without laying down your hair, without using hairspray, and without using a blow dryer. For those of you who have to move really fast, I'm talking about you don't have time for that long process, this video is for you. I'm going to show you guys a simple and easy way to install this hair. What's up, legendary crew? It's the legendary Aujene Jecole, and today I'm here with one of my favorite things, a hair review. I got this hair from Amazon, guys. The link is in the description below, and I just want to say that this hair is perfect for the summer. As you can see, it has a Brazilian curl to it. The wig on this hair is so soft and the density is really low. I really like how easy it was to style this hair. Y'all, I did not bleach these knots. Yeah, I didn't do no pre-plucking or anything like that. I mean, don't get me wrong, I have my days where I'll have to take my time and slay and pray, but I also have my days where I need to get a move on it. This is really affordable hair. Like I said, guys, in order to get this look, I didn't use no hairspray, I didn't use any glue, and I didn't use anything to lay it down. I'm gonna show you guys how to legit just get up and go. So yeah, stay tuned for this video and I'm gonna show you how we got here. What we have looks like something right here, but what you don't know is that this is Brazilian hair, and what the shocking part is that I got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna have the link in the description below, but before I start styling this wig, I just want to show you guys the inside. It goes from ear to ear, and you have a little bit in the back, and that's what I'm really liking. And I thought it wasn't gonna be like, you know, I don't know, I wasn't really too sure of how it was gonna be made, but I actually like how the inside is made, because it's not one of those wigs where like you poke the hole, like there's literally holes in between the tracks. It's a nice wig cap, as you can see, and you get plenty of combs. You get a comb right here in the middle, you get 2 combs on the side, and you get a comb in the back. I don't know how exactly I want to do this hair yet. I haven't bleached the knots and I haven't plucked anything yet, because I just want to show you guys how I would wear the hair if I was just throwing it on and going. So the first step is to trim the lace, but always remember to leave at least, I want to say, a centimeter of lace there, so that you have room to play with it and room for correction, because you don't know how you want to part your hair, what type of part you want, and what you're going to do with it. So it's always good to just leave a little bit. And remember, guys, play with your part until you get it right. I didn't like that first part I made, so I'm just gonna keep adding water until I see something that I like. Also, the natural and beautiful lashes that I have on today are called Pray and Slay Chosen Lashes. Just click the link in the description. Okay guys, this is the fun part. It's time to make the edges so that the wig looks realistic. As you can see, I'm taking a strand from the front of my hair and I'm pulling that forward. Now, if you want to preserve the wig, because I didn't know what type of styles I might want to do later, and if you don't want to cut it that much, I'm going to show you how you can create the illusion of edges and laying down your hair without using scissors on the entire lace front. So as you can see, I'm taking that long piece and I'm trying to lay it down over the lace so that you can't see it. And I've accomplished that. Now, as I'm looking to make sure that it's in the place that I want it, once I get it in that place, I'm going to take a small rubber band and I'm going to take the layover piece that's supposed to be like my fake baby hair, and then I'm going to take another piece on the side, pay attention, right there. So I have two pieces in my hand and I'm going to tie those together with the rubber band to keep the front part of my hair in place, and then I'm going to lay it over. Also, don't be afraid to use that water, y'all. Y'all got to keep this hair looking curly and moisturized, especially if you live in a desert. Okay, so now we've laid down the front part of the hair, and now all we have to do is worry about the side part. So I'm just going to clean up the frontal a little bit and get rid of the extra lace that's not needed. So once you cut off the extra lace, grab a thin layer of hair in the front near your side part, because that's going to be your baby hair. And you want to make sure that you don't take too much, because you don't know what style you might want to do later on with the wig. So just take a very, very thin layer and then cut it. Hey y'all, I'm Aujene Jecole and I'm from Las Vegas. I'm an artist and I have a lot of brand new artwork coming out. And I also sell lashes and I have a blog. And if you want to get to know more about me, make sure you click the links below. I'm new to YouTube, so subscribe because I got a lot more coming. Thank you guys for watching. Back to the video now. Okay, so once those baby hairs are clipped, I tied the rest of the hair to the back so that I don't mess anything up. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the edge booster. Guys, I discovered it this year, and let me tell you, it works really, really good. And this has helped save me so much time from using hairspray or a blow dryer. And it actually lays down, so I really like it. As you can see, I'm having so much fun with it. I don't know why, but laying down my edges just makes me so happy, y'all. Like girl, what is you smiling for? But I'm really liking it. Make sure you do the swoop the way that you want to do it. Okay, y'all, one swoop is usually good enough for me, but if you feel like you need more, then go by all means add more. But now I'm just about to take the hair out of the ponytail, and I'm just going to use water in my comb to lay it down some more so that you can see the part more clearly. Yeah, it's so important that you define your side part because that's what's going to make it count in the end. So don't be afraid to add water and play with it. These are for my people that really want to wear wigs but just don't have all the time to be doing all the steps in order to get it to look like this. Guys, I have been wearing wigs ever since I was 14 because I personally love it. So this is something I've been doing before it was a trend, and I, you know, learned some shortcuts to the days where I woke up and I didn't necessarily feel like doing my hair full blown out. This is not something too dramatic. This is like basic. And also for this to be a wig, the wig is very low density. Y'all, I live in Las Vegas, so a lot of hair on my head can just make me even more hot. Like, it's literally 120 degrees when we be out here, and I'm just not going for that. It's too hot. But altogether, like, I'm really loving this hair. This video is sponsored by, also I'm loving this hair. This hair is really giving me life, y'all. Like, I can really mess with this. I can do this. I can do this. Again, thank y'all for subscribing. Make sure you click on another video. Y'all be entertained, be informed, and just have a blessed day, y'all. God loves y'all. Bye. You still hear me? Just click on another video.